Fathersnya ya. Nah, berapa beda berat si Daniel sama fathersnya? So what we do? Kalau kita mau nyari selisih, what we do kids?
Dikurang.
Okay, we do subtraction ya. What number we subtract? 60 minus 0.5 minus 40. Ya, 40-nya yes, 40.0. Ini Miss kalau nggak ada poinnya desimalnya gimana Miss? Just make the 0 here. Okay, and then subtract like usual. 5 minus 0 is 5 and 60 minus 40 is 20. So the answer is A, B, C, or D? C. Hati-hati ya, nanti jangan salah pencet Miss. I kira yang di Miss mirip-mirip. No, there is no alasan kayak gitu ya. Oke, so the answer is C. Oke, tandai di kertas reviewnya kids already. So we're gonna continue ya. For number 8, come on, number 8 multiply 3.4 by 4. Multiply itu artinya kali ya. Tadi waktu ujian masih ada aja yang bingung. What does it mean, Miss? Okay, so number 8 multiply 3.4 times 4. Okay, coba. Come on, what is your answer, kids? A, B, C, or D? Number
B, Miss. B.
Yes, B. Okay, let's see ya. Is it correct or not? 3.4 times 4. Gini ya. Kalikan seperti biasa aja. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So, how many digit number behind the 0? 1. Yeah? So, we're gonna make our result same as our question. 1 digit and then you put decimal point. So, the answer is B. Ya? B. Ball. Okay. Tandai di kertasnya, nak. I give 1, no 1. 30 seconds to write this. Come on, yang belum. Kalau yang udah, please continue number 9. Kalau yang udah selesai, continue number 9. Kita harus selesai ya, karena this is the last review. Jadi Miss Desi bakal balap.
Miss, I already do
all. Okay, good job. Oke, already ya number 8 ya kids ya. Jadi
Miss,
jawaban
I
nomor
already do all, Miss.
Oke, good job. Bagus kalau udah dikerjakan. Jadi gonna be easy. Yes, okay. Now continue number 9 kids. What is your answer for number 9? Coba bisa mau tanya number 9 jawabannya apa?
A, Miss.
A. Okay, let's see. Bener nggak A? Let's multiply 4 times 4 is 16. We put here 1. 4 times 7 is 20. 28 plus 1?
29.
29. We put 2 here. Okay. 4 times 2 is
8.
plus 2?
10.
Okay, but what number? Di mananya kita tulis? Let's see. 2 digits ya, behind the 0. So in our result same. 1 digit, 2 digit, and then make point decimal here. So the answer is A. Ayang. Ayang lagi. Ayam. Oke, ditandai number 9. A ya. I or D. Kalian bilang already or D ya? I or D. Miss. Miss. Oke, good job. Nice. Number 10. Ayo number 10. Oh, mesti saya harus remove dulu ini. Oke, someone please read the question. Clear all drawing. Ayo, Zevanya, please read the question number 10, Zevanya.
Doni used 14.15 kilogram of flour in his bakery. Rina used 3 times as much flour as Doni. How much flour did Dina use?
Oke, jadi si Doni itu membuat kuenya itu menggunakan 14,15 kilogram tepung. Nah, itu si Doni. Si Rina beda cerita. Katanya kalau si Rina itu 3 kali sebanyak si Doni. Yang ditanya berapa lah yang dipakai si Rina. So what we do in here? Ayo.
Multiply, Miss.
Multiply ya. What number we multiply?
14.14 times 3.
Ayo, times 3. 3 times 5 is 15, ya kan? Oke, 3 times 1 is
3.
3 plus 1 is
4.
4. And then 3 times 4 is
12.
12. We put here 3 times 1 is
3.
plus 1, 4. So the answer is 40.45. The answer is A. Okay, good job. Ayo ditandai ya semuanya ya. The answer of number 10 is A. Kalau kita punya waktu nanti I'm gonna give quiz ya. Kalau punya waktu. Tapi kalau no, let's see. Okay, number 11. Come on boys. Siapa yang mau baca boys? Gilbert. Come on Gilbert. Read the question number 11 Gilbert. Jangan yang lain dibuka ya Gilbert. I can see your eyes ya.
Piece of rock is 8.85 meter long. He cuts it into 5 equal pieces. How long is each piece?
Oke, what does it mean? Kita apakan nih soal number 11 guys? Ada tali panjangnya 8,85 meter. Si Tia mau motongnya supaya jadi 5 bagian yang sama. Kira-kira satu bagian itu berapa meter ya? So what we do kids in here? Subtract.
Division.
Divide ya. Karena kan mau dipotong katanya kan. Jadi satu potong itu berapa? Maka harus dibagi sama. Jadi yang awalnya 8,85 harus dibagi sama 5 potong. Harus adil. Jadi satu potong berapa? Itulah hasilnya. Oke, come on. What is your answer for number 11?
D, Miss.
D? Coba
Yes.
yang lain. Do you agree? The answer is D. Ayo, D ke jawabannya. Ayo, let's do ya. Langsung kita bagikan aja yuk. 8 divided by 5 is become berapa di sini kita put?
1, Miss.
1 ya. 1 times 5 is 5. We subtract 8 minus 5 is
3.
3. And then what we do?
Put the egg down.
Yes, bring down number 8 ya. Nanti you do like this ya. 38 divided by 5 is
7, Miss.
7. Iya kan? 5 kali berapa yang dekat sama 38? 5 kali 7. 5 times 7 is
35.
35. And then we subtract you. 8 minus 5 is
3.
3. And then what we do?
Bring down the 5.
Bring down the 5. So we have 35. 35 divided by 5 is
7.
7. 7 times 5, 35. We have 0. So the answer is 1.77 meters. Yes, correct ya. The answer is Daddy. Dodol ya. Okay. Already write this. Number 11.
Already, Miss.
Already ya. Ayo yang belum, you can capture ya. Boleh di screenshot ya kalau belum ya. Next, number 12. Number 12. Find the value of 0.78 divided by 4. Bagi-bagi lagi nih, nak. Nanti banyak soal bagi-bagi ya. Jadi make sure you understand ya. 0.78 divided by 4. Astaga, apa ini? Divided by 4. Okay, come on. What's the first number we divide? Yang mana Luan?
7.
7.
Zeronya, Miss.
Dari angka sebelah kiri dulu ya. Kita mulai dari angka sebelah kiri. Yes, 0 divided by 4 is
0.
0. 0 times 4 is 0. Okay, and then bring down the next number. Number 7. 7 divided by 4 is
2. 1.
1 ya. 1 times 4 is
4.
4. We subtract 7 minus 4 is
3.
3 ya. And then bring down the next number, which is number
8.
8. Okay, good job. 38 divided by 4.
36, Miss. 9, Miss. 36, Miss.
Eh?
36, Miss.
9 ya. 9 kan, berarti 9 times 4, 36. And then we subtract. Tinggal 2. So, are we done until here?
Oh, Miss.
No, ya, what we do?
Put the 0 beside.
Yes. Put the 0 ya. Tambahkan 0-nya lagi. So, we have 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. We subtract, we have 0. So, the answer is 0.9. So, 0.195. The answer is C, ya. Jangan diklik yang D, nanti you check plus yang ini. Maksud A yang C, Miss, tapi angkanya mirip-mirip. Hati-hati ya. Ada jebakan Batman. So the answer is C ya. 0.195. Ayo, I give 5 seconds to screenshot. Miss Desi ngebut ini. Sampai nomor berapa ini ya? 17 ya?
17, Miss.
17. Ayo, come on. 5.
Miss, untuk screenshot counter berapa, Miss?
You use laptop, yes. There are so many ways ya, tergantung laptopnya nih, Nak. Ada bisa Windows Shift print screen. Tanya Gilbert. Atau Windows tekan samaan dengan print screen. Tahu nggak print screen yang mana, Gilbert? Aduh,
Miss.
boleh ya? Okay, so now let's continue number 13. Number 13. It's easy. Ayo, 7.5 divided by 5. What is your answer, kids? 7.5. 1.5. Let's see. 7 divided by 5 is 1. Yes. 1. 1 times 5 is 5. We bring down, we subtract 7 minus 5 is 2. We bring down the next number, 20. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So the answer is 1 point.
1 point.
Oke, tandai nomor 13 jawabannya ayam. Oke, already. Next, number 14 ya. Calculate. Ini tanda apa nih? Simbol apa nih kalau ada seperti ini, Nak?
Division.
Yes, division. Jangan bingung, Miss. Itu diapakan, Miss? Jangan bingung. Artinya bagi. Ya. Oke, let's divide 40.4 divided by 5. Come on. 4 divided by 5 bisa?
Cannot, Miss.
Cannot ya. So we have to regroup ke tetangga kita. Terot. So we have 40 now. 40 divided by 5 is?
8.
8. 8 times 5 is?
40.
40. And then we subtract ya. We have 0. And then bring down number 4. 4 divided 5 bisa nggak?
Cannot, Miss.
Kalau cannot, what we do?
Add 0, Miss.
Add?
At 0.
Add 0 in where? In where? Di mana kita put 0-nya?
In
Nomor
dekat nomor 4, Miss.
Di mana?
Dekat nomor 4.
Oh, di dekat nomor 4 ini. Ini.
Bukan, Miss.
Di sini.
0-nya kan 5 times 0, Miss. Become 4.
Jadi di sini nggak ada kita buat angka di sini. Something here. Ayo, hati-hati ya. Gini. 40
Become 0, Miss.
in here become 0.
Yes, Miss. Become 0 times 5 is 0. So can we subtract?
Iya. Ya, jadi kita tulis dulu angka zeronya di sini. 0 times 5 is 4. 0 times 5. 0 times 5 is 0. And then we have 4. Baru buat zeronya. Oke. 40 divided by 5 is
8.
8 times 5 is 40.
40.
So we have 0. Artinya the answer is 8.08.
8.08.
Jadi jangan kalian buat nanti jawabannya 8,8. Ya kan tadi kalau you put di sini langsung 0, pasti langsung jawabnya 8,8. To make sure kamu benar atau enggak, kalikan aja lagi jawabannya. Misalnya ini 8.80 dikali 5, benar enggak hasilnya 40.40? 5 times 8 is 40. You put here. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 4 is 4 here. And then put decimal point. 5 times 8 is 40. Jadi kalau dikalikan 8 hasilnya tadi, hasil pembagian tadi dikalikan sama 5 hasilnya ini. So your division already correct. Tapi coba kamu kalikan ini tadi, pasti hasilnya beda. Jadi hati-hati ya nak ya. Nanti ada jebakan Batman. So the answer is dodol. Ayo tanda yuk. Yang mau menulis atau screenshot boleh, silahkan 5 seconds.
Oke, Miss. Udah digambar semuanya, Miss.
Udah digambar sama already ya. Oke, now I'm gonna clear the drawings ya. Clear. Oke. Number 15. Nanti number 15 ini ada di ujian, dah ya. Ada di ujian seperti ini. Jadi jangan confuse, Miss, maksudnya apa? Banyak kali yang nanya maksudnya apa. Maksudnya ini. Kalian juga nanya berarti. Oke. Maksudnya ini kan express 2 per 8 as a decimal. Ada nanti 2 soal lo guys. Kalau 2 soal salah berarti udah kurang 10 nilai kalian. Express 2 per 8 as a decimal. Ini ada 2 cara. Cara yang paling gampang itu, nak. Per artinya apa? 2 per 8. Per ini artinya bisa kita buat bagi atau divide. Artinya 2 dibagi 8. Itu sama dengan 2 per 8. Masih ingat kan? Di awal-awal ini we make. Coba. Ini tulis siapa itu yang Oke, so remember ya, kalau ada soal seperti ini artinya 2 divided by 8. Langsung aja buat in long division, 2 divided by 8. Oke, let's choose. 2 divided by 8 bisa?
No, Miss.
No, kalau no berarti di hasilnya we make 0 in here and put comma. Oke, so we have 20 now. 20 divided by 8 is? 2. Ayo, berapa tuh? 2. 2 times 8 is?
16.
16. We subtract become 4 ya? 4. Oke, 4 divided by 8 bisa? No ya? So, what we do? We add 0 lagi ya. We bring down ya. So, we have 40. 40 divided by 8 is? 5. Yes, 5 times 8 is 40. So the answer is
0.25.
yes, 0.25. 0.25. Ayo ditandai ya, 0.25. Any question? Ada yang masih bingung? 0.25. No, ya. Okay, good job. Next, continue number 6. We almost done. Come on. Find the missing number. Ini missing numbernya. 4.1 times blank blank blank. Kalau dikalikan sama 4,1 hasilnya 410. What number is it?
100, Miss.
100.
100.
Coba kita buktikan ya. 4.1 times 100. Nah, kita kan gampang ya kalau ada kelipatan zero-zeronya itu easy. How many zero we have in here?
2, Miss.
2 ya. So it means we move our decimal point 2 times to the right. 1 times and 2 times. Okay. So, Miss, we have seharusnya kan berarti tanda komanya di sini ya. The new decimal point. But we have blank here, Miss. Kalau blank ini artinya apa? We put
Zero.
Ayo, tinggal ditulis ulang lagi nih. Berarti angka kita sekarang 4, 1, 0, 0.0. But remember, we want to look professional, of course. So we have 4, 1, 0. So correct ya. The answer is 100. Yep. Okay, do you understand number 16, guys?
Yes,
Understand
Miss.
ya? Iya, tinggal coba-coba aja nanti. Yes, Janeta? You raise your hands. Yes, you can go to the restroom ya. Ayo. Number 17, the last. Come on, the last. We have 0.
Miss, a question before we continue to the last question.
Yes.
Kenapa harus buat cara yang panjang?
Cara yang panjang. What you mean?
Kenapa? Like long way. Nggak bisa langsung kayak itu.
Like what? Like what? Yang cara yang short itu yang gimana maksud Isen?
Like langsung bagi aja, harus itu lagi bagi-baginya, harus sampai tunyi itu, Miss. Ya bisa kayak
Yes. I see. It's up to you ya kids ya. Which one you prefer? It's up to you ya. Yang mana yang lebih easy for you. Ya. Oke.
Miss, waktu ujian kita mau tulis caranya, Miss.
No need. Because kan in exam we only use pilihan ganda ya. Jadi you can choose one. It's up to you what way do you want to make. It's okay ya. Kecuali nanti kalau ujiannya di sekolah esai ya beda lagi ceritanya. Okay, so as long is it correct, banyak jalan menuju Roma ya kan? Math itu gitu, banyak caranya, nggak mesti itu caranya. Tapi jawabannya cuma satu, ya. Oke, number 17. Come on, we have 0.234 times 1,000. Ayo, let's see. It's gonna be easy, ya. How many zero in 1,000?
3,
1,
Miss.
2, 3. Let's move our decimal point 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. So it's gonna be here. Okay, let's write again the number. 2, 3, 4.0. We want to look professional. 2, 3, and 4. So what is the answer? A, B, C, or D?
D.
D, iya. Ada yang bilang jawabannya A, no ya. Kalau 3 Miss angka zeronya tambahkan 3 di belakang. Itu kalau nggak ada komanya, ini kan kita punya decimal number. Oke, so the answer is D. Oke, come on, you can write in 10 seconds ya. Boleh di write, boleh di screenshot.
Jai.
Okay, finish.
Oke, already finished?
Finish, Miss.
Coba. After this, I'm gonna give dojo point ya, but we're gonna practice to make sure you understand ya. Soal yang mesti saya kasih soal yang akan mirip sama ujian. Oke? Are you ready, kids? One question only ya. Ya?
gagal. Hari ini hari Sabtu.
Siapa itu yang cerita itu? Okay, now this is the question kids express 2 divided by 5 as decimal number. Jawabannya nanti itu koma-koma maksudnya. Jadi nanti you put jawabannya itu yang ada koma-komanya. 2 divided by 5. You can make into 2 per 5 or 2 divided by 5. Come on, mesti sudah ngasih clue. So what is the answer? Send privately to me ya. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, Arthur Keika already answer. Yuk, bisa yuk. Be careful with your answer, Zaneta. Isn't okay. Misalkan jawabannya Miss 0,9. Nah, kalikan lagi 0,9 kali 5 benar nggak jawabannya 2? Gitu cara memeriksanya. Misalkan Miss jawabanku 0,1 Miss. Kalikan coba 0,1 kali 5 benar nggak hasilnya 2? Nah, kalau enggak berarti jawabanmu masih salah. Ya, it's okay. Come on, I give chance ya. Biar dapat 2 poin dulu sebelum ujian. Neneng. La 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 la. Yang answer still 4 ya, masih 4. Masih Golda, Isen, Keika, and Arthur. Come on yang lainnya. Oke, good job. Janeta already. La 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 la. Nanti waktu ujian kayak gini ya, ingat ya, remember ya. Remember please. Oke, Talita already. Ayo, Shalomita, Zevanya, Angelica, Maranatha, Jason, Adeline. Halo Lause.
Halo, Miss di mana? Mau kembaliin soal ujiannya?
Oh, soal ujiannya taruh di office aja ya Lause ya.
Oh, oke.
Nah, thank you Lause.
Mejanya aja gitu kan, Miss?
Iya, letak di meja saya aja Lause.
Oh, oke, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Sure Lause. Buka ki, oke Lause. Lause. Ready guys? Oke, times up lah ya. Tunggu dulu, si Zevanya masih menulis. Zevanya already, Zevanya. Not chat. Ayo. What is your answer, Zevanya? Shalomita gimana, Shalomita? Ayo.
Wait.
How long I'm gonna wait you? Berapa menit lagi mesti saya tunggu? Angelica, come on. Difficult ya? Satu soal itu 5 skor loh guys. Kalau ini kalian dapat kan berarti kalian dapat 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 bisa enggak? Kalau enggak, what we do? Put the Zero. Tapi zeronya put di mana? Karena dia masih awal-awal. Nah, ayo. Put di atas dan di bawah atau di bawah aja?
Di atas.
Ya, coba. Kalau put di atas, terus what next? Come on. Put di atas. Terus? Kukira kita akan bersama. Begitu banyak. Oh, be careful with answer. Oke lah. Kirim cepat Zevanya and Shalomita. Come on, send your answer. Apapun itu, I appreciate you. I can see ya your hard work. At least you do. Daripada nggak dikerjakan, leave, ya kan? Come on. So let's discuss together, kids. 2 divided by 5 is, come on, what we do next here? Angka berapa kita tulis di atas? Bisa nggak 2 dibagi 5? 0. 0 times 5 is 0, ya kan? And then put decimal number. We have 20. 20 divided by 5 is?
4.
4. 4 times 5 is?
20.
20. So the answer is 0.4.
0.4.
Yes, finally correct ya Zevanya ya jawabannya ya. Benar jawaban Zevanya 0.4. Okay, help me guys to give the point for those who answer. Siapa tadi ya? Arthur, Isen. Golda tadi ada Golda, Keika tadi ada Keika. Shalomita, Talita, Zaneta, Zevanya. Only this ya yang send to me ya. Ada lagi nggak yang send ke Miss JC? No ya, only that. Okay, kids, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna give Roja point. Okay, so I think that's all for today, kids. Remember ya, do your best when exam. Do not chatting, jangan nyontek, apalagi use calculator ya. Nggak ada gunanya nilai 100 kalau tidak jujur. Okay, let's have a screenshot, guys. Smile everyone. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, thank you guys. Do not forget ya Talita and Arthur nanti kita Zoom ya format Olympiad. Thank you guys. See you on Friday. Bye-bye. Catch you later.